Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tune the Toy. On this episode I want to showcase the importance of tuning your guitar to your preference. Once the guitar is tuned, you will be able to play faster and better, and it'll help you develop your own style of playing. In order to properly tune a guitar to your preference, you need to have a lot of patience and you need to understand a few simple key concepts. On this video I want to showcase these concepts and help you tune your own guitar to your preference so that you can learn to play faster and better. Now, as you can see, I'm no professional at playing guitar, but the way this guitar was set up didn't make it any easier for me. First thing I want to adjust is the play on this. So the amount of distance between the string and the fretboard, which right now is a little more than I would like. So I'm gonna use my capo. Put it on the first fret, and then with a credit card or any type of card, right over the 12th and 13th fret. And I'm gonna use tape. What I want to do is follow the curvature of the neck, and I'm gonna use this tape to hold that curvature. There shouldn't be any gaps between the tape and the thread. So now, as you can see, I can play this and these strings, but the middle ones are hitting the card. So I'm gonna adjust over here just using this Allen wrench. I want to turn clockwise and play it lightly until I can hear the string. And that buzz is gone. Now that the action is set, I'm gonna go ahead and take my capo off and tune the guitar. So now that we're tuned and the height is set, we're gonna go check for intonation, which is what these screws are for. What this means is that your string may be tuned when you play it freely, but when you play on the 12th fret, it might not be on tune, as you can tell. So we're gonna screw this in just a little bit, retune it over here. Now I want to set the height on this knot right here. What I'm gonna do to check it is use an old bent guitar string and see this height that it leaves between the two strings. I want that to be touching. So right now it's about 2 strings from the fretboard to the actual string. Now my strings are out of the way. I'm gonna mark this knot. A good idea of how much I need to take off. In my case, the base of this knot is flat, you can see. Some of them follow the radius of this neck. In order to check it, just put it on the neck, and if it swings back and forth, it doesn't have a radius. In case it does have a radius, you take this 180 grit and tape it to the neck so that you can take off some of this material and it follows the radius. I got it pretty much nailed down on this side. There's little to no gap between the 2 strings. But on the other side I still have some ways to go. After sanding down for a little longer, I feel pretty happy with the height of all of the strings. So now that the height is set on these strings, I'm gonna take them off again so I can clean up the area to get ready to glue the nut to the neck. I used a box cutter to carefully get rid of all the glue that was left behind from the original installation. In order for the strings to stay in tune, we are using graphite to lubricate the slots on the nut so that the strings won't bind up to the nut. Now we're going to adjust the height on these pickups so that they all have about the same volume. This is easy to do. You select your pickup, which in this case is this one. And you compare it with the other ones. This is my one. You can hear this one's very dim. And this one's actually a little too close to the string. So I'll screw counterclockwise. And that's as simple as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you find this video useful and apply some of these techniques to your own guitar to make it more personal and easy to play.